Hey everyone! Have you ever heard of a bot that not only lets you leave it running, but actually pays you real ton tokens? Well, let me introduce you to GabyPara, the game changer in the world of earning bots. I've personally cashed out multiple times, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works, including proof of withdrawals. Over 3 million users are already on board, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. But before we dive in, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Now let's dive right in. GabyPara. Now, this bot is the real deal. It not only lets you open it and leave it like the others, but you can also earn ton tokens and withdraw them. I've personally withdrawn from this bot 3 or 4 times already. I'll show you proof of that in a second. It has over 3 million users, and the best part? You can actually withdraw the ton tokens you earn. When you first open the bot, it starts calculating your Telegram activity. For example, I got 4,000 tokens just for my activity level and another 500 for some simple tasks. But the real earning happens with the daily spin feature. Every day, you get a chance to spin and earn more tokens. Sometimes you get 0.5 ton, sometimes more. It's super easy to use. Just hit spin, and you'll start racking up tokens. If you want to withdraw, you'll need to collect 10 gems. You get these gems from the spin as well, so it's not hard. Once you have enough, you can withdraw your tokens. I've done this 4 times already, and I'll show you proof of those withdrawals. It works perfectly for anyone, even if you're in a restricted country. You can still invite friends and earn. Now, for my friends, any restricted countries, this bot might be a great opportunity to earn some extra cash without any hassle. I'm showing you this bot because it's about to blow up, and I want you all to be part of it before it's too late. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, join my Telegram group, and I'll help you out. You'll find all the links to these bots in the description below, as well as links to my Telegram channels. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.